Embark on a culinary journey to Brazil with this extended Pirao recipe. A comforting and traditional dish deeply rooted in Brazilian cuisine. Pirao, a thick and savory porridge made from cassava flour and rich broth, is a testament to the simplicity and depth of Brazilian cooking. Ingredients: 4 cups of fish or meat broth, chicken, beef, or seafood work well. 1 to 1½ cups of cassava flour, polvilho azedo for a tangier taste. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. Juice of 1 lime optional for added zest. Fresh herbs, parsley, cilantro, or green onions, chopped for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prepare the broth in a large pot. Bring the broth of your choice to a gentle simmer. If you're starting from scratch, you can enhance your broth by simmering it with onions, garlic, and your preferred meats or seafood. 2. Sauté aromatics. In a separate pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they are translucent and fragrant. This step adds an extra layer of flavor to the pirao. 3. Thicken with cassava flour. Gradually whisk the cassava flour into the simmering broth, ensuring to prevent any lumps from forming. The mixture should start to thicken almost immediately. Continue to stir over low heat until it reaches a creamy, porridge-like consistency. 4. Season. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For a zesty twist, stir in the juice of 1 lime, enhancing the pirao with a refreshing tang. 5. Combine and cook. Add the sautéed onion and garlic to the thickened mixture, combining everything thoroughly. Allow it to cook for an additional few minutes, letting the flavors meld together. 6. Garnish and serve. Once the pirao is ready, remove it from heat and let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool slightly. Serve hot, garnished with freshly chopped herbs for a burst of color and freshness. Serving suggestions: pirao is traditionally served alongside grilled or stewed fish, seafood dishes, or hearty meat stews. It acts as a delicious accompaniment, perfect for soaking up the rich flavors of the main dish. Enjoy the extended Brazilian pirao recipe, a dish that embodies the warmth and soul of Brazilian cuisine. Each spoonful offers a comforting embrace, making it a cherished recipe for its heartwarming qualities and satisfying flavors.